Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Important tips for first time second engineer. Yes, people management is the key. So I remember when I was on shift first time second engineer, I was afraid of calling oilers when they was working in engine room, but they had gone back for sleep or for rest or for eating food. So my chief engineer, he was Ukrainian, he was not happy at all with my people management skills. I at that time used to think that everything has to be done by me. When a decar was happening, I was running up, down, managing everything. I was young, but I was naive. I was innocent. You have to delegate things to people and you have to trust them, you have to train them, you have to manage them. If you cannot do that, then it is your problem. I have sailed with some second engineers जो कि जिनकी प्रॉब्लम ये रहती है कि यार डे टेल इसको ये नहीं आता, सेकंड ईयर डज नॉट नो दिस, थर्ड ईयर डज नॉट नो दिस, फोर्थ ईयर डज नॉट नो, fitter cannot work. But the question is, have you trained them well? Have you given them proper instructions? Did you tell them to read the manual? Did you read the manual last night yourself and told them you can make this mistake, do not make this mistake? Do you know their strengths and weaknesses कि कहाँ पर गलत जाएंगे? Were you there when you knew that they are going to make mistake? And that is what is the role of a good second engineer. He needs to know his third engineer, his fourth engineer, his fitter, his oilers very well, his junior engineer very well, that this is where they can make a mistake. This is where till this time I have to delegate and by this time I have to be over here. And this is a new work happening. I have to be very well prepared. I have to read the manual so that tomorrow no mistake happens. You are a sandwich between chief engineer and juniors. So chief engineer will sometimes come at 5 in the evening. अरे second साहब ये काम हो गया. Second साहब this is also the work pending. Now once, twice, thrice is okay. बस 4 time you have to lay your foot down. सर 5 बजे आप बताएंगे तो नहीं होगा काम. आप 3 बजे बताइए, आप 1 बजे बताइए, एक दिन पहले बताइए. Will every day sit for a one-on-one chat every day evening कि next day क्या क्या प्लान करना है. But each day coming at evening 5 o'clock and then telling when people are going to take rest is not good. Similarly, sometimes your chief is genuine, is telling the right things to do, and juniors, अरे साहब ये काम क्यों करेगा, साहब ओवर टाइम नहीं दे रही है कंपनी, and all those stuff. So you are a sandwich and you have to manage your juniors, you have to manage your chief engineer. Somewhere you have to respect your chief engineer's point of view, somewhere you have to let him down as well, because something this will not happen because my people need rest. And similarly for your people as well, when the time is right you have to push them, you have to do this, you have to train them, and also you have to take care that they get proper rest. Especially if on Sundays you can give them rest. Half day on a Sunday does not matter, but if you give them a full day, it would make sure that by Saturday things are done. Ensure that you give them Sundays only if by Saturdays those things that you have planned have been done. Give them as a carrot, or else take a stick if the things are not working in a planned way कि इस हफ्ते कोई संडे नहीं मिलेगा, because this was the plan which was designed, these were the jobs which were designed and we guys together could not do it. It will not be a Sunday for me, it will not be a Sunday for you, something like that. But plan it in a good way. Troubleshooting as a second engineer, this is something very important. Knowledge is power on ship. The day I realized, since that day till the last day on my ship, on the ship, I used to study every single day on board ship. I used to make notes, I used to study. Why? Because I knew if I am good at troubleshooting skills, I can save a lot of time. I still remember as a chief engineer, one problem took me 3 days to solve, and around 4 deck side people and 2 engine room people, including me and electrical officer, were involved with that problem, with the gangway problem. And it was a small problem with the relay. Once that problem was solved, I was so damn angry with myself that 5 people, 7 people involved for 3 days to find this faulty relay. I wasted so much time. Now these guys will be giving up their Saturdays, Sundays, rest days because ship has to be clean, spick and span, and all the work that has not been done now has to be done. So it was my problem, my blame game. So I was not happy with that. As a chief engineer, second engineer, my role is troubleshooting skill should be good. If a normal second year is taking 3 days to solve a problem, you will take 15 days, 1 day. If a normal chief engineer is trying to figure out a problem and it is taking him 2 days, you do it in half a day. And that is where you save a lot of time. That is where your people respect you. अरे कुछ भी problem होगा, बड़ा सा है ना, second year है ना. So please work on your knowledge. That is very, very important. And last but not the least, taking a stand where required. If you feel your juniors are wrong, don't be afraid of telling them immediately with a stern voice as well that you are wrong here. Tell them clearly that what you expect from them. Give them feedbacks on regular basis. Not just at the last moment at the appraisal time, अरे तुम ये सही नहीं किया. Don't do that. On monthly basis, give them feedback. Slowly when I started reading books, I started understanding people management. On my last 2 shifts as second chief engineer, I am ensured that I used to give them regular feedbacks. Never till the last moment कि लास्ट अप्रेजल आएगा अब मैं इसकी बैंड बजाएगा. Never do that. It is not helpful. Every month share with them. I expect this from you. You do this, you get this. If you do not do this, you will not get this. Copied. There are no free lunches. So taking and somewhere you find your chief here is your second year is not good. Every day 5 p.m. is coming and with some work when people are going to go for rest and unnecessary work. You have to put your foot down. Bada sahab, this is the work. Captain sahab, this is the work. We'll plan it tomorrow and we'll do it. Now my people have to take rest. You have to do that so that he can plan it one day before. But it is not once, twice is okay, but not it should not become a routine. Giving Sundays a full day holiday to your people not as a routine, but if they have earned it, will be a great thing to happen. So these are the things that I can share, and I can go on and on with my experiences, and that I'll keep making videos. All in all, if you're watching this video, if you're about to give your MEO class 2 exams, you want to check your eligibility criteria, go to Merchant Navy Decoded website, check your eligibility calculator and MEO class 2 eligibility calculator as you can see on the screen over here. If you want to know all the details about MEO class 2 exam, you want to know about assessment, process, tips, tricks, what all exams to give, how to give, how much is the percentage required, everything, then all in all I can say is buddies, go for this free course, online course as you can see on the screen. Link is in the description box as well as in the comment section. Go ahead, enroll for this course, watch all the videos. Knowledge is the key to success, remember, and we are here to provide you the right information. Last but not the least, MEO class 4 package is there for MEO class 4 aspirants. MEO class 1 package is there for MEO class 1 aspirants. For MEO class 2 excellence package, we are already in progress. If it is made, the link is in the description box as well as in the comment section. Please go ahead, buy it, invest on yourself. It will help you clear your MEO class 2 exams faster. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. And right time to buy the MEO class 2 packages, the day you have done your first sailing as a class 4th engineer. Before second sailing of 4th engineer, go on ship, watch these videos. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.